Hey everybody, it's Amanda from the Hide Stu Disney. Mike's behind the camera and we're making another food video today. Let's jump into it. So today we are going to make the famous grilled cheese sandwich from Woody's Lunchbox. I'm pretty sure this is a very similar recipe as the Disneyland grilled cheese that's super famous. I'm really excited because I enjoyed that grilled cheese sandwich a lot, and I like grilled cheese sandwiches in general, and I'm just taking the lead on this. I am making it all. Mike prepped it for me, but I'm gonna make it all. Mike, thank you for making it for me.
You're welcome.
All right, let's just jump right in. So first we are going to make a cream cheese spread that's going to go into our sandwich, and here's what you're going to need. A 1/4 cup of cream cheese, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar, 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, and 0.13 teaspoons of coarse salt. So we're just going to do a
pinch of salt.
Oh, I'm looking at salt there. And now it says to put it into the food processor to combine. Apparently I'm doing this by hand. Mike thinks it's going to be smooth enough.
I wouldn't use the whisk. I would have used a spatula.
Well, then why'd you put the whisk out?
For the butter. For the mayonnaise.
And you know I hate this. Why didn't you just take the food processor out? Alright.
Just leave the spatula right in the bowl.
Okay.
Giggles from the outside.
Now we're going to make the garlic spread, and for that you are going to need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 3/4 teaspoon of minced garlic. Is that actually 3/4 teaspoons?
No, it's more like
it's more like as much as you want.
1.5, which is the normal size, but.
And then a 1/4 teaspoon of coarse salt.
So a big old hefty pinch. Who measures salt?
Same people that measure garlic, and then you're gonna mix that up.
Look at that beautiful mayonnaise footage. This is great. I've been saying things and I get laughs out of it.
So now we are on to assembly, and you're going to take the nicest bread you can find. For me, it was bread that I made. And so I made this bread today. Came out really good. I'll leave the recipe for this bread in the description down below because it is so good. And I've just kind of perfected it over the past 3 months of making it probably once a week or so. So let's just start assembling this. You are going to start by putting 2 pieces of cheddar. I'm going to totally throw Mike off. Because I did it the opposite way of what you were thinking. 2 pieces of cheddar on 2 of your pieces of bread. 2 pieces of provolone on 2 pieces of your bread. Next, you're going to spread the cream cheese mixture on the provolone side of things. I don't think it really matters what side you spread it on, but that's the side they tell us to do, so that's the side we're gonna do. Spread this out. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so good. This is like a 7 cheese grilled cheese.
Still only 3 cheese. The weird thing part of the recipe actually says American provolone and cheddar, but there's not a bit of American cheese unless you consider cream cheese American cheese, but it is what it is.
Maybe they mean that is...
Cheddar is a very... No, because it clearly states cheddar.
Weird, I don't know. Now I see why you wanted me to do it that way. Put our sandwiches together. Get some more cheese on your hands. Gosh, they're so thick.
That bread's good though. And that's thick with 2 C's.
That is thick with no K and 2 C's. So now we are going to put our garlic mayo on the tops here. And then we are going to put them on the griddle with the garlic side down.
Sizzle, sizzle.
While they sizzle, you're gonna put the rest of your garlic mayo on the second half. says to grill them for 2 minutes, but I think that this is just a good time to just get some B-roll. So once you think you have an idea of when you should flip it over, oh my gosh, this is so big. Ah! I am not a cook. Great. Much better the second. This is why Mike cooks, guys. I'm not a chef. I never will claim to be. But hey, they look pretty good on top.
Good color.
Slowest grilled cheese ever. What do you think?
I'm good.
Okay. Learn from past mistakes. Good? Yeah. We have our sandwiches. There, you gotta come and take a look at this, Mike. They are literally just oozing. I'm just gonna go in with this one here.
How was it?
Oh my gosh. That's delicious. Wish I toasted it a little bit more.
Look at that cheese just running out the back. My mouth is watering behind the camera because mine's right there. All right, now I get to try some. I'm gonna be different. I'm gonna grab this really gooey one. I'm gonna bite it from this side.
It's all on your beard.
I feel like I feel like a dog and just like roll around in it.
I think this might be my favorite recipe to date. How does this rate on the cooking scale for our Disney food?
I'd say it's pretty good. I'll put it in the top ones. I mean, we haven't really anything we didn't like.
It's true.
But I'd say the simplicity of it, it's a little more complex than a normal grilled cheese.
Because I made my own bread.
Not even that, it's just like the extra steps of the butter,
Yeah.
the mayonnaise, and then the cream cheese and stuff like that. But it's really good.
No, it was really quick to make, but it wasn't.
I would say half of one of these is probably enough.
Yeah, we probably could have just made one.
But I mean, it's really good. I think it tastes really well. I like the mayonnaise and the garlic concept.
Yeah.
Because you lose the mayonnaise flavor once you do that, because it all just kind of turns into oil and it's oil and eggs anyways.
Yeah. I thought it was delicious. I would make this regularly. Yeah, that was a good cheese bowl. So thank you guys so much for watching another Thursday cooking vlog with us. We would love to have you subscribe to the channel and like this video and tell us what we should cook next.
Yeah, let us know. We love to always do different things. It doesn't have to be Disney. It could be another park. It could be something totally different that you've seen online that you want us to try, because we're adventurous and we'll try anything. So,
yeah, I make bagels, so maybe I'll make bagels in the vlog one
I
day.
can read directions. I can follow a lot of directions. I have a particular set of skills. I'm just kidding. No, so we should do that. I mean, just let us know what you're looking for or something cool that you want to see us make, and we will make it. So thanks so much for watching.
Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.